Suryadatta's SIFT: identity, inspiration, creativity, opportunity, and authenticity. These are not just the keywords or hashtags that we use for SIFT, but our way of inspired living for inspired design. We at Suryadatta believe fashion in passion. Fashion is a global industry now, and India is one of the top countries for clothing exporting. So, we want our students to be the best and take over the fashion world when they go out of SIFT. At SIFT, we provide quality education by dedicated teaching professionals over many years. Learning is further enhanced by several webinars, seminars, guest lectures by eminent industry experts. We make sure our students create their design identity from the concept till the catwalk. Graduation at SIFT is a celebration. Every graduating batch showcases their collection on our annual fashion show La Classe. La Classe over many years has proven to be a launchpad for many careers. Our goal is to provide the best possibilities to our students. Our placement team is working tirelessly to achieve that goal through various alumni portals that we maintain. Learning at SIFT is made enjoyable and enriching.